Okay, so once the algorithm has switched and confirmed, it gives me my stop if I'm wrong, and it also gives me my targets if I'm right. There's 1, 2, and 3 right here, and sometimes I get even more than that. All right, good morning, everybody. It is August 14th, Friday. So this is one of my modified trades again, just on a trigger order. So we are in this this trade here short right now, as you can see up here in this window. So yeah, we'll see how this thing works out. Right here is our first target. Second target right here. Algorithm switched on the trigger side, so I jumped in based on a modified setup. Okay, so getting ready to cross to our first target, 90.48. So I'm going to change my stop to that once we get through. All right, we're almost through over here on the ask. I got to watch the ask. That's what I'm getting out on. Okay. I think it's going to break through there. Head to this next target, so I'm going to give it a second. Okay, put my stop in, 90.48 right here. So that's our stop now. Oh, why not? Okay, so now we got our stop in here, 90.48. I had the high range, low range mixed up. Okay, we should be getting out maybe, no? 30. So the next one's going to be 89.47. If we can hold here without getting stopped out and this candle closes in 5 seconds, we have a really good chance of this going down the next target. Alright, cool. So candle closed, new candle opening. So if it just drops, we'll be in great shape. Okay, I'm actually going to move my stop to 90, break even. Buy. So I already hit my target, so everything now is just all bonus money. So it's a one-to-one strategy, so as long as I got that, I'm good. Everything after that is just bonus, bonus, bonus. So we may move our stop here again, but right now we're looking at 90. We might get stopped out. Here we go. Stopping out. No. Almost. It flickered. It flickered. All right, so we are out. All right, so we're going to close out that trade with 91 cents in profit. So awesome. 91. Man, now I wish I would have just took the trade off the table for an even dollar. But 91 cent in profit for their first trade of the day. Not too bad. All right, looking for another one. 91 cent per share profit, not total profit. All right, everybody. So it's approaching noon time. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it down here and get other things done. So we just took this one trade right here that you saw. So yeah, look at that. Hit that level and bounce from there. So yep, that's how a lot of times it'll hit these spots and then reject. You know, the algorithm's telling me that there's a high likelihood of this first one, and each one after that the likelihood gets lower and lower that it's going to hit those levels or break through them, I should say. So and then they reverse. All right, so that'll be it for today, and we'll see you on Monday. So finishing out the day with a 91, just making sure I got that right, 91 cent per share profit. So pretty awesome. All right, everybody, have a great weekend.